All right, so today we're going to be dividing decimals by decimals. Read the words on your own, but it's just like the numbers. So whenever we're multiplying a decimal by a decimal, we need to get our divisor into convert it into a whole number. So how can I convert 1 and 2/10 into a whole number? Well, it's only got one place value to the right of the decimal, so I'm going to multiply it by 10. And so 1 and 2/10 times 10 gives me 12. Right? I do the same thing to my dividend. I multiply it by 10 as well, and I get 45 and 6/10. Okay, now I can just, all I need to do with my decimal point is move it right up. All right, so let's do a couple examples. Hopefully it'll make more sense then. So example 1, 7 and 6/10 divided by 4. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is estimate. So my estimation is 2. All right, and how I got that? Around that is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So my answer should be close to that. So let's go ahead and divide 7 and 6/10 divided by 4. Goes into 7 one time. All right, 3. Bring the decimal right up. Drop down to 6. And then 4 goes into 36 9 times. 0. Notice I didn't multiply anything by 10, and the reason being is because my divisor is already a whole number. All right, we're going to get to that in the next example. So my answer is 1 and 9/10. All right, is that pretty close to my estimation? And the answer is yes. All right, second one. My estimation is going to be 4/12, which is 1/3, which is 33 hundredths of thousand. All right, what I did was 4 divided by 12 is 4/12, and that's closer to 1/3, and 1/3 is a benchmark fraction of 33 hundredths. All right, so now let's go and divide. 4 and 38 hundredths divided by 12. All right, 12 goes into 4, 0 times. Bring that decimal right up. Drop down to 3. 12 goes into 33 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. 13 minus 6 is 7, and that is 0. All right, so drop down the 8, and 12 goes into 78. 6 times? 6 times 12, 60. Yep, 6 times. 60, 72, which is 6. I'm going to need to add a 0, bring it down, and 12 goes into 60, 5 times. It's 60, and my answer is 0. So my answer is 365 thousandths. Once again, pretty close to my estimation. All right. Go ahead, give the extra examples a shot, and resume the video when you're ready to go to the answers. All right, letter A. All right, my estimation is going to be 1/2, which equals 5/10. All right, so let's go ahead and divide. So 3 and 24 divided by 6. All right, 6 goes into 30. 6 goes into 3 0 times. 3. Decimal goes right above itself. Bring down the 2. 6 goes into 32 5 times. 2. Down to 4. And 6 goes into 24 4 times. And so my answer is 54 hundredths. Once again, pretty close to my estimation. All right, B, I'm not going to estimate it. It's going to be too small of a number. Let's go ahead and work it out. So 48 hundredths divided by 8. All right, 8 goes into 0, 0 times. 0, 0. All right, decimal goes up. 4 comes down. All right, 8 goes into 4, 0 times. That's 0. Don't have to do that. 8 8 goes into 48 6 times. And so that is my answer, 0 and 600s, or 600s, let's just say. All right, go ahead and do the on your own. This is just a copy in your notes. All right, do the on your own.